Hello guys, welcome for another tutorial. For the new members, welcome. Remember to subscribe, remember to share, remember to comment. Now for today's tutorial, I want to show you how to fix crashing apps on your Android phone. But before I enter to the tutorial, let me give thanks to my subscribers who have engaged themselves to my previous video tutorial through comment on the comment section. As you can see on this video, there are many. Just mentioned a few. I've just displayed a few of them. Thank you for participating. Thank you very much. Now to the tutorial. I know many of you have experienced this problem where when you try to open a certain app on your phone, sometimes many apps display that it is not responding. This is what I'm calling crashing of some of the apps. Now to solve this issue, to fix this problem of crashing, apps crashing on your phone, please do this. First, you go to Play Store on your phone. Just tap on Play Store. Tap Play Store to open. You open it. Then you search this app. It is always a default app. It comes with the phone, the Android phone, Android system WebView. Search it on Play Store. It is this one. Sorry. Yeah, it is this one. You can see. Then you tap to open it. Now, it will display something like this. If you open it and you get update, you have to update the app. Just tap to update. Just tap to update. After updating this app, the Android system WebView, you just again go to Play Store and then again look at Google Chrome, your browser. If again it is out of date, as you can see, this one, you tap on it again, and again if it is out of date, please tap to update the app. Tap to update. Now, when you update the two apps, the WebView and the Google Chrome, just go to your phone, you reboot it, and try to look whether your problem has been solved. Now, if the problem exists again, you follow this other step. Just go to your phone settings, tap phone settings to open. Then you scroll down to apps. On this part, you will concentrate only with the app which is crashing the apps which are crashing when you try to open them. For example, if my app which is crashing, it is this one, I just tap to open it. Then you go to storage. You tap on storage. When you tap on storage, you just clear cache. You just tap here to clear cache, like that. Again, if the problem continues, you can again look at the main app which is crashing. Then you tap on storage. Then again you clear data. You tap on clear data. But note this step. If you want to clear data, it will erase or delete permanently, for example, the accounts, the files, the database, and the settings. Remember this, take this as your last option if the problem will not be solved by the previous steps. Repeat these procedures with all the apps that are bringing a such crashing. When you try to open them, they are not responding. Try these steps, all the steps, and finally reboot your phone. After completing the steps, all the steps that I have shown you, reboot your phone. And with all those steps, you solve the problem of apps crashing on your Android phone. That is all about a simple tutorial today. I hope with this tutorial, your problem crashing of apps on your Android phone will be simply solved. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. To my members, please support my channel. Subscribe, like, share with your friends, and comment. If you have any query about this tutorial regarding all my tutorial videos, when you look at my description, I always give some contacts. You can get me directly through WhatsApp. You can get me through Facebook group. You can get me through Twitter, or even you can raise your concern on the comment section of this video. I always respond to any comments regarding any issue concerning my tutorials. Thank you very much. We'll meet again with another tutorial. Stay safe and be blessed. Bye.